Only one click to remove all blemishes. After opening your image, simply click on Acne Remove AI tool on SADESIGN panel. Just only one click and the AI will analyze and process your photo. Then it will remove all blemishes for you. Before, after. Let's try again so you can have deep insight about the magic of this tool. Click and done. Amazing! You don't have to use Healing Brush tool or Photoshop to remove one acne by one acne anymore. This really saves your time and your effort. More importantly, SADESIGN know and understand your difficulty. That's why our team has developed a really convenient tool for you. So you can remove all defects, smoothing, liquify face, body for all photo with just a few clicks. Excited? I'll show you now. Click on Batch Auto button. Batch Auto Processing window pop up. In this window, we already put lots of accessory tools for you to edit your photo, such as slim face, V-line cheek, nose, eyes, body transform, remove blemishes and smooth skin. After choose tools accordingly to your needs. To process all photos, check to Processing files from the folder. Ensure all photos you want to process located in the same folder. Select Ensure folder and Destination folder. Hit Run. For execute this command and all your photos will be processed automatically. Easy peasy. SADESIGN, your editing photo solution.